All right, hello MMA. This is the tutorial on how to use different filters on your images. So your filter tab is all the way up at the top, the menu button that says filter. And there are a ton of different filters you can experiment with. You can blur out parts of your photo. You can distort it, make it have like a rippled effect. You can add different like noise, meaning adding kind of like pixeled dust and scratches, like an old time kind of photo. All these different types of filters are available to you. Mosaic's kind of cool, turns it into like little squares. And so go ahead and experiment with adding any type of filter you want. However, when you do it, you need to make sure that you are selecting the right layer. So for instance, if I want to add a filter to the shoe, I need to make sure I select that layer first. So right now I've selected the Nike shoe. I'm going to come up to filter and let's see, I'm going to go to stylize and I'm going to add an oil paint filter. And so once you do that, there's all these different options. So you can actually like adjust how intense you want that oil paint to be. So you could add some bristle details in there. You could increase the scale of it, the shine there. Oh, that's kind of cool to add the shine. Cleanliness. I think that's just the edges, making it more harder edges. So you can go ahead and just experiment with any of that and then just click OK. Okay, and then say I want to add a filter to the background, then I'd have to click on the sunset because that's my background layer. Then I'd add a filter, and maybe I'm going to add a mosaic filter to my background. And there we go. It turns kind of pixelated. I can increase the cell size and make it larger. I can make it smaller. All depends on what you're looking for. Okay, that's how you add filters in Photopea. Good luck.